Dear students, this is M. Rahman and you are attending ORAC classes of English language, and today our class is based on The Merchant of Venice written by William Shakespeare. Students, in previous lectures you have already understood Act 1, Scene 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Now today we are going to begin Act 2nd, Scene 1. Now let's see where this scene begins. This scene begins in the Portia's house. Students, you should remember the scenes according to the places because it will be easy to remember all the contents related to it. So act 2nd, scene 1 begins in Portia's house. The three cascades are there in the room. The sound of the cornet, a kind of bugle, announces the entry of the Prince of Morocco. The prince enters with his followers and attendants. Portia, her maid Nerissa, and her attendants are there in the room. The Black Prince asks the Lady Portia not to judge him by his black complexion. His blood is as red as anybody's. He boasts of his royal blood and says that the best virgins of his country would love to be married to him. Those virgins liked him very much. Portia tells him that she can be won only by the man who chooses the right casket and containing her portrait. Portia was not at all very emotional there. She was very reasonable and she tried to make this prince understand that everything is based on the selection of the caskets, otherwise nothing is useful. Portia tells him that she can won only by the man who chooses the right casket containing her portrait. She tells him that after dinner he will have a chance to try his luck. Students, you came to know in Act 1, Scene 2nd, then every prince has to find out the cascade in which there is Portia's portrait. If they are not able to find it, they will have to leave Portia's house at once and they will remain unmarried throughout his age. Now students, this scene can be said that happens in the room of Portia, and it is the entry of Prince of Morocco. And the main thing to learn is that Prince of Morocco boasts of his royal blood. He is of black color. Now the scene ends here. Scene 2nd, act 2nd, scene 2nd, and the scene brings us back to a street in Venice. We see Lancelot Gobbo. Students, it's a new character. The clown, he is the servant of greedy Shylock. He is sick and tired of the meanness and miserliness of Shylock. He has decided to leave Shylock and serve Bassanio. We hear Lancelot Gobbo talking to himself. He says that devil advises him to run away from his old master. He hopes that his conscience will also help him run away from the house of his greedy Jew. But his good conscience says that as a good man, or rather a good woman's son, he should serve his old master. He says that his master, the Jew, is the very devil himself, and he wants to run away from there. He says his master a devil, so his conscience advises him to serve the devil. The devil's advice is to run away from Shylock. So Lancelot says that he will follow one devil's advice to leave another devil. A student, the mean to say is that Lancelot Gobbo was being guided by two things: a good virtue and bad virtue. Good virtue was telling him something positive, and bad virtue was misguiding him. Lancelot's father, old Gobbo, comes with the basket. When he came on the roadside, he came across his old father who was carrying a basket, and the clown talks nonsense about his father who is blind. Students, we have already told you that Lancelot Gobbo is a very funny man. He is not serious anytime. Now he is seeing his father coming from the front side. He began to speak nonsense about him, even about his father. His father is blind. He tries to tease the old man, and old Gobbo means the father of Lancelot Gobbo. Gobbo is their surname. Asks his son, whom he cannot see, to direct him to Shylock's house and ask him if he knows that the young Lancelot who is still with Shylock. You know, Old Gobbo is asking his own son the address of Shylock because he is blind and he doesn't know that he is talking to his son. Now the fool again talks nonsense. When Lancelot Gobbo, Senior Gobbo, asks the address of Shylock and asks about his son who works at the house of Shylock. Now this Lancelot Gobbo, the son of Senior Gobbo, thinks making fun of his father. So he is called a fool. The fool again talks a lot nonsense. He tells the old man that the young Lancelot Gobbo is dead. He gave a false news to his father that he himself, who is not being seen by his father, that Lancelot Gobbo, he himself is dead. He says, your son Lancelot Gobbo is dead. Then he tells the old man that he himself is son. When his father got worried and anxious and he began to weep, then he disclosed this matter and told his father that he himself is alive before him. But now his father was not ready to believe him. Then he tells the old man that he himself, his son, he gives his mother's name to assure him because his father was not ready to listen to him at all. He was not ready to believe that person who was his own son. The fool asks his father to give him the basket having some presents. He says he is not happy with the Jew. He tells all the reasons that he wanted to quit the services of the Jew and he is going to join a new master because he is starving at the house of his miserly man. He will give the presents to Bassanio, who is good and kind master. Young Gobbo tells his father that he was going to serve Bassanio. He was going to resign from the services of Shylock. Bassanio now enters with some people. The two talk to Bassanio. Lancelot tells Bassanio that he wants to serve him. Now I hope you have come to know. When this discussion was going on between Lancelot Gobbo and his father Senior Gobbo, there comes Bassanio with his some friends and attendants. Bassanio that he wants to serve him, Lancelot says. Bassanio accepts him as a servant. The fool praises the life he will have in the service of this new master. He talks of having 15 wives and what not. The old fool and the old father live in this way. Students, even his conversation with was related with some funny matters. Even you can say that he was not serious at all. Although he had a feeling of conscience in himself because he was being guided with his power of conscience that he should not quit the services of his master, whether he is cruel or kind. But the bad spirit was misguiding him that he should do tit for tat. Now students, act 2nd, scene 3rd, it opens in Shylock's house. This scene takes place in Shylock's house. Jessica, the new character, Jessica, Shylock's daughter, bids farewell to Lancelot, who is leaving his father's house. Now I would like to say, students, when Lancelot Gobbo meets his father, he sends his father back and he alone comes to the house of Shylock and says everything to Jessica, the daughter of Shylock, and says that he is quitting the service of her father. At this, Jessica gives him farewell and he says that she also wants to leave her father's house. She too is not happy in the house of his miserly father. Lancelot was a merry companion, was a good companion in that dark house. Dark house means the house of problems. Now he is also going, so Jessica gives him a letter to be handed over to Lancelot. Lancelot, a letter for Lorenzo. Students, now one another character is here, Lancelot. When Jessica comes to know that Lancelot is going out, she gives Lancelot a letter to hand it over to Lorenzo. Lorenzo is a Christian and lover of Jessica. Students, now you came to know the names of the character which I have given in the previous lectures. Now there are 3 characters. Shylock's daughter Jessica. Lancelot comes to her. When Lancelot comes to her, Jessica shows her unhappiness related to his father. She gives a letter to Lancelot to hand it over to Lorenzo, and she bids him farewell, saying that he was his good companion. Now he is leaving her in this dark house. Students, we will begin in Act 2nd, Scene 4th. So you keep on watching ORAC classes of English language, and please subscribe our channel. Please like, share and comment to us so that we may improve. Students, all the assignments related to it are on our Insta mehfwz.rehmn.359, and if you comment and demand your solutions of those assignments, we will send to you. Thanks.